What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Just Symphony, but you can call me Symphony. How y'all doing?
Beauty and
You're goofy though.
Alright, y'all. I have a super cute video for y'all today, and I can't wait. Okay, so I have a hair video. You know, I ain't did a hair video, like a real good one, in a minute. So, well, let me just get straight into it, okay? Because you see it, and you see it, alright? And I'm finna show y'all how to achieve this look for cheap, honey, because you know your girl likes affordable. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair that I got. It is the Outre Converti cap, Curvy Addiction, and I got it in number 2. And so as you can see, this is like what it looks like. It's very cute. Hair feels really good. Combs out. It combed out very nicely, honestly. It has a long front comb here. It has 2 side combs, as y'all can see. A bottom comb for the very bottom. And then also on the bottom, it has a drawstring. So you can, you know, pull the cap as tight as you need it to go, or, you know, loosen it up depending on like whatever style you're going to wear. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. And for this style, you more than likely going to need your hair straight. Unless you already have naturally straight hair, then you don't. But if you don't, you're gonna need to straighten your hair for this, because you know you want it to blend. Y'all see what I'm saying? We're looking cute already now. Again. Alright, y'all kind of see what I'm working with here? Do y'all see it? Y'all see it. Y'all see it. You understand? Next style, let's see if we can do a middle part or something.